let us start part 3, chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide, class 5. Maniratnam, the cashier. It includes page number 170 to 171, NCERT class 5. Up to now, we have done part 1 and part 2. If you have not seen, link you will find in I button above. You can see there that two parts are only basics of the chapter. Now, from here onward, we will do the exercise from the chapters. Okay, so let us start. Maniratnam, the cashier. Maniratnam, the cashier. Maniratnam is the cashier of a king, Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all people who work for the king. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. Okay, so Maniratnam is a cashier who work with cash, and his job is to find out the salary of the person who is working for the king. Okay, so let us see. Person may be different posts: ministers, horse rider, cook, and salary in a day. Minister gets rupees 195 in a day. Horse rider gets rupees 76 a day, and cook gets rupees 65 a day. So in this way, they have given salary for a day. So what is the amount they will get at the end of the month if month is of 31 day? Okay, so Maniratnam wanted to calculate the salary for the cook for the month of January. January. So whenever month is given, you can make it clear that in January days are 31 day. Okay, 31 days, and the salary of the cook is, you can see from the chart, rupees 65. So salary is rupees 65 in a day, and there are 31 days. So for this calculation, what he has done, he did 60 plus 5. He splitted the salary in 60 plus 5 now, and he also splitted the days 30 plus 1. Okay, so in part 2, you have seen how to multiply if we have zeros at the end. So 60 into 30. Okay, so two zeros at the end, so answer will have 20 at the end. 6 3s are 18, so 1800. Similarly, and the 5 rupees, 5 into 30, 3 5s are 15, 10 at the end. Now this 60 into 1, 60, and 5 into 1, 5. So how much salary cook gets? He gets 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5. Okay, so how much it is? You can add like this: 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5. So this is 5. This is 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry. 1, 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 0, 10, 0, 1. So 2015, 2015. How much salary does cook get? 2015. Maniratnam's daughter Bela has learned another method to multiply. She wrote like this and showed it to Bhanu. Bhanu is her brother. Like this. But we have done, this is Bela's method. First, she has multiplied this 65 into 1, 65, and 65 into 3, 1950. Now she will add 5, 6 and 5, 11. 1, 9 and 1, 10. So this is called Bela's method. So Belaz has done like this and showed to her brother Bhanu. Akka, how did you do this? Akka is elder sister in Telangana. Okay. Akka, how did you do this? We can multiply 65 with 31 in two steps. Okay. 65 into 31 in two steps. Because why we took two steps? Because 31 we are multiplying by 31. 30 plus 1. So in first case we are multiplying with 1. Here we are multiplying with 1, and then we are multiplying with 30. Okay. 65 into 1 we have written here, and 65 into 30 we have written here. In that way we get 2015. So now Bhanu tries to find the salary of minister. How much salary minister gets? 195. Now 195 with 31, because salary of minister is 195 per day and there are 31 days in the January. For this process, what he has to do? He has to multiply 195 by 1 in first step. This is step 1. In step 2, he will multiply 195 by 30. So by 30 has 0 at the end, so we put this 0 itself. Now we will multiply 195 by 3 only. Okay. 3 5s are 15. 5. Carry over 1. 3 9s are 27 and 1 28. Carry 2. 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. This is step number 2. In step number 3 we will add these numbers. 5, 9 and 5 14. Carry over 1. 8 and 1 9 and 1 10 0. Carry over 1. 5 and 1 6. So minister gets 6,045 rupees in a month in January. Okay. Now practice time. Using Bela's method to multiply number. So long form multiplication we are saying here Bela's method. So we will do that. Here is first is 32 multiplied by 46. So 32 multiplied by 46. In this case, what will we do? In first step, we will multiply 32 by 6, and in second step, we will multiply 32 by 40. So let us first multiply 32 by 6. 6 2 is 12, 2 carried over 1, 6 3 is 18 and 1 19. Now 32 multiplied by 40, and I know when we are to multiply with the number which has 0 at the end, we just put that zeros. Okay. Now I will multiply for 32 with 4 only. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. This is step number 2. In step number 3, I will add these. 2, 8 plus 9, 17, 7, 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. 1472. So answer of first question is 1472. Now question number 2, 67 multiplied by 18, and 18 means 10 plus 8, So in first step, I will multiply with 8. In second step, I will multiply with 10. Then I will add that. Okay. So in second step, I will multiply with 8. 8 7 ja, 8 7 ja, 8 7 ja, 56. 8 7 ja, 56. 6 carried over 5. 8 6 ja, 48. 48 plus 5, 53. Now I will multiply 67 with 10. So I know when there are only zeros at the end, so I can directly put that zeros. Okay. Now in third step, I will add this 6, 7 and 3, 10, 0, carried over 1, 6 and 5, 11 plus 1, 12. So 1206. Okay. So in this case, the answer is 1206. Do these in your notebook using Bela's method. So now we have another questions. Let us do one more question for you. Let us take this example. Okay. 2, 2, 5 into 22. We can write like this. In first step, what I will do? I will, in step 1, 2, 2, 5 multiply by 2, because 22 means 20 plus 2. So in first step, I will multiply with 2. In second step, 2, 2, 5 multiply with 20. And in third step, I will add that. So in first step, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 2 5 multiply by 20. So by multiplying 20 means I will put 0 itself. Now 2 to 5 multiply by 2. I have already done this in previous step. 2 to 5 multiply by 2. So the answer will be repeat 2 5 4 0 5 5 plus 4 9 4 4950. So in this way you can do other question, complete the question and send me. Okay. You can also write answers in the comment box. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.